What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to view and use the physical keyboard shortcut in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, click on physical keyboard and then tap on keyboard shortcuts. So from here you can view and use physical keyboard shortcuts. So these are the system shortcuts, and if you want to view the app shortcuts, then from here tap on app to go to the apps tab. So these are the apps shortcuts that you can use on physical keyboard. So that's how you can view and use physical keyboard shortcuts in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.